unbox. Unbox it, unbox.
Unbox. How to unbox it? Ah! Ano? This is our Jollibee toy. And my box.
Close your eyes. Ito yung dito. Oopsie. What's that kaya?
Oh, I think it's a dog.
Oh, it's Hello Kitty. Hooray!
Can we build it up?
Okay. I love Hello Kitty.
Look. I'm excited to build it.
I put it here.
Cute.
No, under.
How to make it smaller? And I'm Paris, and Mommy's taking my toy. Mom isn't dead yet.
I don't know how.
Ah!
Sorry.
Today, Mommy don't know how to build a Hello
Oh,
Kitty
I think
toy,
like this.
and I don't know. And what if I?
Where will I put this? Oh, maybe it's in the later. Okay. This is the first one.
And then the other one.
The other one.
And Mommy's gonna open this third one. This is from
I don't know.
Daddy.
Maybe. Oh, here you go.
I think this will only. I just want it to be another.
Oh, yeah.
Today is Kalami. Wait for the Kalami.
Well done. Oh, nice. It's Kuromi. I will put Kuromi here.